ARM is everywhere computing happens, from smartphones and supercomputers to intelligent devices that are powering the Internet of Things revolution. This course will provide you with an accelerated path and kickstart your career in a world transformed by IoT. You'll start your learning journey in this course by understanding the fundamentals of IoT, before quickly moving on to practical projects that will teach you the essentials of building ARM-based IoT applications. For example, we'll show you how to create your own environmental sensor using the popular ARM-based ST-DISCO L475VG board. And in the final lab exercise, you'll complete the course by creating an activity tracker that uses simple modeling to predict different classes of activities. IoT applications have the potential to change the lives of billions of people around the world. This is why we're also including in the course video case studies that illustrate the social impact of IoT applications. This context is crucial for future IoT innovators wanting to understand the global impact of this technology. The Internet of Things is one of the fundamental building blocks of the next wave of computing. Forge your own career path in this connected world by enrolling in our course today.